So, your electric account is receiving Community Choice Aggregation service, also known as a CCA service. But what does that mean? Here's what it means. Southern California Edison, SCE, is still delivering power to your home. We are still here to provide customer services, such as power restoration, meter reading, and billing. The only difference now is that your city or county is the one buying your power and determining how much you pay for this power. To better understand this, let's take a look at your bill. In the first section, you'll find the charges for SCE delivering power to your home. If you navigate to the last section of your bill, this is where you'll find the Community Choice Aggregators CCA charges. These charges are for the energy you used and are based upon the CCA's rate. Any questions about CCA rates or services, please contact them directly. When you contact your CCA, you will need your POD ID. That stands for Point of Delivery ID and is located on the last page of your bill, right next to the service account number. To learn more, visit sce.com/CCA.